Why are you eating my child?
Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna play windup. We have 3 lives. Me with Diego.
Yeah, also I changed my skin. Yeah, we're supposed to make a only up video, but we just
He sucked at.
much work.
Yeah, and he sucked at only up.
What? That is just straight up cap. Don't listen to him, guys. I got it.
Why is he speedrunning this? Oh, I have 2 more lives. He still got 3. Never mind, he has 2. Never mind, he has 2 and I have 1. Okay.
But if you thought then we end those videos, bro. What are you trying to do?
That wasn't me. That was
That was the wait, God, did you roast me?
That was Jack.
Oh no, that was the viewers watching at home.
Yeah, definitely. You know what? I actually have 2 lives. What do you mean?
No, you have. How many do I have?
You have 2. I have 2. 2. Guys, this key throw isn't really that bad. Oh, never mind. I have 2. He has 1. The key throw isn't really that bad.
You need to die. You actually need to die. No, because you're stuck.
I have 1 life. Me and Diego have 1 life. He has 0 life. So he's gonna end his video, but I'm gonna keep going.
I am built different, guys. I'm never gonna die.
See there? Get 1 more life, guys.
I'm giving my. Okay, guys.
Wait, I'm giving myself 1 more life.
We're starting the high. We have 3 more again.
Yeah, we have 3 more again. Yeah. Is that we end the video way too early? Then something bad's gonna happen, I think.
You were able to watch our video.
Yeah, if the video at that point it's gonna become a short.
I got 2.
I'm cooked.
Oh, the only part that I struggle with is the key throw, bro.
I got you.
No, what about right here? Because I'm just. You know what? If we throw shutter.
Oh my.
Well, stop. You know what? We're starting to 4. I'm going to
Okay.
4. Okay.
Yo, guys, you know why? 4 is bigger than 3? Cause 3 got eaten by. You know why? The number goes 1, 2, 4. You know why? Cause 4
Give me the milk.
Cause 4.
I'm thirsty.
Yo, guys, I'm gonna tell you a funny joke, guys. You know the number goes 1, 2, 4 because 4, 8, 3.
No.
4.
Because he's.
Yo, I am just built different, guys. Watch. Oh my gosh. Yeah, dude.
Okay.
I'm cooked. You scared. My controller. My controller. Yeah, you all saw that. Michael Chiller straight up.
No! I didn't die, so I still have 4. Stop.
That wasn't me. That wasn't me. That was definitely the viewers. Guys, stop. Stop trying to roast him, guys.
You guys, if you show me one more time,
I thought it was him. I thought it was straight up him.
subscribe.
Guys,
if
I
you
thought.
want to be safe, then you need to subscribe.
Yeah, wait.
Now.
Give me a second.
What are you getting?
You've been bad. Here you go. Yo, you see my. Dude, Michael Chill hates me. Ew, you just ate it?
Yeah, but you can do a key, like how you do hot cocos and pins.
Ew, who likes eating corn? Corn isn't even edible.
Well, in Yeep they are because we're a puppet.
Yo, guys, you saw I was built different there? You guys saw that I was built different?
No.
Yeah, he's already at 3 lives. Same thing with me.
Secret tunnel. Do the motion. Secret tunnel. You wait for me. Wait for me.
Then hurry up and get up here.
Okay, fine.
Sigma. Wait, stay right there. You take too long.
No. Why don't me?
You guys saw that. That wasn't even all me. That was all you.
Now that was you go.
So it was my fault that you missed the jump. How was that my fault that you missed it?
Because you broke me. But what the freak?
Yeah, guys. You guys didn't see that, right? I feel bad. I'm jumping down with him. Okay, I'm at 2 life. He's at 1 life. How the? Dude, hey, I'm sorry, dude. We could be friends.
Okay, I'm still at 3 because you throw me.
That's unfair. I'm already at 2.
Oh. Okay, so I'm at 2.
Okay. Watch this Sigma move. Sigma. I'm at 1. You're 1 also, right? No! I'm at 1. I'm still at 1, guys.
Every single time when you subscribe, Jalen or you get a lot. If you really want to help Dylan out, subscribe. If you really want to help me out, like. Yo, I think someone subscribed.
Nah, no one did.
Yes, they did.
I think like 40 million.
No.
That wasn't even me at that point.
Wait, me and you have 1 life? Yo, I think someone just liked. Wait, now I have 2. Let's go again.
Yo, guys, it's been 7 hours. Remember, I have 1 life. Yes, no.
You just subscribe. You have 2 now.
Okay, yay, definitely. Guys, don't listen to him. Yeah, guys, we're gonna end the video. Don't worry, if you want to see the rest, it's on his YouTube channel. I don't know what his YouTube channel is. He still got a few more lives, but I'm still gonna be in the video with him. So, bye.